Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify your age on Roblox step by step. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Once it loads, tap on the More option in the bottom right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Then, tap on Account Info. Here you will see your account details. Scroll until you find your birthday section. Right below it, you should see the option that says Verify My Age. Tap on it. A new window will appear to start the identity verification process. For this, you will need a valid government ID. This could be a driver's license, a passport, a residence permit, or a national ID card. Tap on Start Session. This will open up a browser. Select Begin Verifying. Now choose the country that issued your ID. For example, if you are from the United States, select United States. Next, choose the type of document you want to use. Options include a passport or a national ID. Tap the one you prefer. You will then be asked to upload photos of your ID. First, take a clear photo of the front. Then, if needed, take a photo of the back. Make sure your details are visible and not blurry. Once the photos are uploaded, Roblox will check your information. If everything is correct, your age will be verified. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.